Turn your iPhone into a pro gaming rig with the Razer Kishi V2.
What's in the box?
Out of the box, and there's only one thing in the box. It's the surprisingly lightweight Razer Kishi controller. You know, at first glance, they look like a pair of black Nintendo Switch controllers, but this little gadget will bring console gaming to your iPhone. It comes complete with all the buttons you'd expect on a modern console: triggers, bumpers, and analog thumbsticks. It's even got macro buttons that can be programmed in the Razer app to do whatever you want them to do. There's also buttons for menus, sharing options, and one for opening the Razer app on your iPhone. We'll cover those a little bit later, but first, how do you use this thing? This integrated lightning port will connect to any iPhone from the 8 series and up. Even the biggest iPhone will fit thanks to the Kishi V2's expanding backbone. Simply line up the charging port, adjust the backbone, and you're connected. Before you start gaming though, you'll have to download the Razer Kishi app from the App Store. Once you've installed and updated the Kishi V2's firmware, it's time to start gaming. The Razer Nexus app button opens up a catalog of both retro games and some recent games as well. Now, the selection isn't amazing, but eventually there's gonna be something for everyone. All the controls are super responsive thanks to hidden micro switches, and the ergonomic design makes long gaming sessions a lot more comfy. These two multifunction buttons can be programmed to any button combination you like, especially handy in fighting games. Just find them in your Razer app and map them to anything you like. During gameplay, the share button can take screenshots or capture video, depending on how it's configured in the app. Now, before we give you the review you rating, let's talk to the guy who won't let anybody else have a turn.
This thing really is that awesome, Kai. I can't put it down. It changes playing games on your mobile phone. I mean, I wish I had this years ago when I really was in the mobile games. This would have been a game changer for sure. If you're the type of person that spends a lot of time playing on your mobile phone, I don't know how you don't have one of these, to be honest with you. In order to stay competitive, I think you need one of these. This thing is really, really awesome.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Matt. Lightweight, comfortable, and easy to set up, the Razer Kishi V2 for iPhone is an amazing gamer upgrade for the iPhone. Overall, this is the best mobile controller that snaps onto a phone. While we'd love to see some bigger and better games added to the catalog, we give it a 9 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got two options really. You can follow our purchase link we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for $154.99. Or you can enter the review to you drawing and try to win ours for free. The rules are so simple. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hashtag we hid somewhere in today's review. We then use Silver, our highly sophisticated random selector, to choose a winner. All of our winners are announced right here on the channel, so don't forget to turn on your notifications so you'll know if you won. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free. From Kai, Matt, and Gary, we'll see you next time.